Once again, say goodbye to belt holes because it's all about the ratcheting system. Let's check it out. What's going on, guys? Mikey Massini here with Mikey Daily Carry, back with another quick carry review. And today I'm going to be reviewing these two belts that were sent to me by a company called Fairwin belts. Now, as a disclaimer, these belts were not bought by me personally, but they were given by Fairwin, so thank you so much for that. If you are looking to purchase any one of these two belts, they are going for $20.99. I'll make sure I link that in the description below. And in addition to that, they offered me a discount code which y'all can use to save you a couple bucks on some already affordable belts. Now, the two that they had sent me are the automatic buckle adjustable tactical nylon belts. These range for $20.99 each. They state that it is a tactical nylon belt, but for you all that have been watching my videos, I've reviewed core, I've reviewed next belt, and these aren't reinforced in any way. So it's definitely going to be a lot more on the flimsier side, and I want to say it's more of like an everyday type belt because it's just not so reinforced and rigid like core and next belt. They offer a wide variety of different color combinations on their site. This one right here is the gray with a gunmetal buckle, and then I got a black on black one right here. The size that they gave me was a size large. This is a company from China. Just for your reference, with what I wear with my waist size, it's a 34. Sometimes I wear 36 in jeans, and large is a good size for me. They also have a size chart on their website, so that way you can measure exactly what it is, or you can even reach out to their customer service department to help out with an exact size that fits your waist. Now, what I really like about this belt is it's not just for men, it's also a unisex type belt. Now, I know on their site it does list tactical, but it is a really good business casual type looking belt. One that you can wear to work, one that you can wear golfing, one that you can just wear for an everyday carry basis. Now, let's go over a couple features of these two belts here. So these are 100% nylon. Both has the buckles that ratchet. Just like Core Essentials and Next Belt, you feed the belt through and it ratchets just like so. You can pretty much just cut the belt to your exact size if it does come a little larger. That way you don't have that much hang time. What I really like about this is that when you feed the actual belt through, rather than it being above the actual buckle where you have that extra hang time, it's actually right behind it, so it's hiding. I really like that about belts. Let's look at this gray version as well. So if I feed this through, now the gray version is a little different because it does feed through the front of the actual main belt. So you feed that through, ratchets, and then as you can see right there, it's on the front side of the actual belt. And you have this keeper that just holds it in place, so that way you don't have much hang time hanging from this belt here. The width of both of these belts is 1.35 inches, and it comes in a variety of sizes from small all the way to XXXL. What that is in comparison, I'm not sure. Check the specs. They do offer a lot of different styles on their site as well. They have a full line of tactical series, which comes with a Cobra belts, which actually latch on a lot tougher. And I'm assuming that the material that they use on that is a lot more rigid than this 100% nylon. You can definitely check that out on their website when I link it down below. And just like this ratcheting business series, they do have a casual series as well that comes in a variety of different colors. Now, what's really good about ratcheting belts is this. You can adjust this to a variety of different sizes. You may find sometimes that after a really big meal, your belt just isn't fitting so comfortable on you. So you just hit this lever right here and you can loosen this like so, and you don't have to worry about trying to find a specific belt hole to match the waist size that you currently have after a huge meal. Or say, for example, you've been working out, you've been cutting a lot of weight, and you need a belt to just slim down to your current waist size now. Well, you either just continue ratcheting this so that way that feed goes all the way around your waist, or you can cut it to your current size right now, and that will help you with adjusting to a more universal size. Ever since I came across ratcheting belts, I have not gone back to any belt hole type belts. It's just very practical and useful for me. I like the fit on my person. May not be for everybody, but if you haven't tried it, especially for the price of $20.99, give it a shot. I personally would like to know what your guys' thoughts are on these belts. Is this something that you would purchase? Is this something that you would like to try out? Give me your pros, give me your cons, and fire them down in the comments below. Once again, I just want to say thank you to Fairwin for sending these belts out to me. And a bonus that they actually did was they sent out this little passport holder. Take a look at that. I don't know the exact material on this. If you can see right here, there's a hole because you can actually put an air tag here so that way you don't lose this bad boy. And then you have some slips here, obviously for your passport. And right here you have a couple slips for some cards, which is really cool. They wanted me to check that out as well, and really appreciate that. But my name is Mikey Messina. This is another quick carry review of the Fairwin belts. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.